I'm going to estimate the mean from this group table. This means there are 3 plants between height of 0 and 10 centimeters, 4 plants between height of 10 and 20 centimeters, and so on. Or to be more precise, there are 3 plants that have got a height of less than or equal to 10 but bigger than 0 centimeters. Estimate the mean. Step 1 is to work out the midpoint, the middle of 0 and 10, the middle of 10 and 20, 25. That's step 1. And step 2 is to times across. 5 times 3, 15, 15 times 4, 25 times 2. That was step 2. Step 3 is to add these 2 columns. 65, 125 there. And then the final step is to divide that one with that one. I'm just going to round to, it doesn't specify how many decimal places, 13.88. I'll just round to 1 decimal place. So that's an estimate of the mean. They might ask you, why is it an estimate? Why isn't it just the mean? Well, to be honest, those 3 plants, you don't know the exact heights of those plants. We just know that one is somewhere between 0 and 10, that one is somewhere between 0 and 10, and so on. And because we don't know the exact height, what we just worked at is just an estimate. Now I'm going to find the median group. So it's got to be one of these 3 that I'm going to write here. So how do I do that? Well, there are 3 plants there, 4 plants, and 2 plants. Altogether we have 9 plants. So what we do now is add 1. We add 1. So 9 add 1 is 10. Half of 10 is 5. So we did 9 add 1 divided by 2. That was 5. So we're looking for the 5th plant. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. That's your median. So the median group is this one. Remember, that plant lies within this group. So the answer is, right, that's not the answer, that's part of the working out, that is the answer. Now just to explain to you why we need to add 1. Let's say we've got 9 plants there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 9 plants. Now to find the median, you can do 1 for you, 1 for me, 1 for you, 1 for me from either side. We'll just do that. 1 for me, 1 for you. Me, for you, 1 for me, 1 for you. There's the middle. That is the middle. Look, there's 4 on this side, 4 on that side. That is the middle. But look at that. That's the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th value there. This is why it was necessary to total up, add 1 and then divide by 2. Otherwise you wouldn't be able to find the median. I'm going to show you how to find the median group of this one. I've changed the number slightly. So we need to count how many plants we have. 3 add 4 add 1, that makes 8. We've got 8 plants. Remember to add 1 and then divide by 2. 9 divided by 2, 4.5. We're looking for the 4.5 position, 4.5 plant. Let's represent these plants as dots. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look for the 4.5 plant. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. 4.5 is right there. That's obviously this one here. That is your median group. So you'd write, that's what you'd write as an answer. Now, in exams, I've noticed when they ask for estimating the mean and then finding the median group, people get things confused. So to estimate the mean, just remember this: midpoint, midpoint, midpoint. You got to find the midpoint. Then times, times, times. That's where we've got these numbers here. 5 times 3 is 15, 15 times 4 is 60, 25 times 2 is 90. Then you total the two columns, the last two columns, and then you divide. And then for the median group, just remember this. Just use the dot, dot, dot method that I've just explained just a while ago. If they ask you to find the median group now, I'm going to look at these frequencies, very big numbers, and you don't want to be doing loads and loads of dots, 30 dots here, 27 dots there, and so on, and then try to find the middle one. So how do you do this? Well, you know here there are 30 dots, and the last one will be the 30th one. Then the 31st one will be here, 32nd, 33rd, and so on. The last one, the last dot, will be 30, 30 at 27, 30 at 27 makes 57. The last one will be the 57th one. And then so on. 57 at 43, 100th one. The last one in this list will be the 100th. The last dot in this will be the 100th one. So what we do is, as usual, to find the median position, add this up. You'll get 141. Remember to add 1 and then halve it. 142 divided by 2 is 71. So we're looking for the 71st value. Now 71st value is certainly after the 57th value. And it's definitely before the 100th value. Right, so the 71st value lies somewhere here. It's one of these dots. So your median group would be that one. That would be the answer.